Yes. So like it, share. Auntie Claire, Jamaican way of cooking. I'm doing some fish. Subscribe to the channel. Like it, share it. And don't forget to touch the notice button to tell a friend. This is the way Auntie Claire do it. This is my carrot, pepper that I'm shredding up. And the carrot, big carrot, Jamaican way. And the onion, Scotch bonnet pepper. So you can see that's the way I do my fry fish. Okay? So like it and share and subscribe to the channel, Auntie Claire. Don't forget, Auntie Claire. Love you. Bye for now. Peace out. Okay.